Hey there, foodies and health enthusiasts. Welcome back. Today we've got an exciting topic to dive into, the incredible benefits of black garlic. If you haven't heard about this culinary gem before, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we unravel the mysteries and unveil the remarkable advantages of incorporating black garlic into your diet. What is black garlic? All right, let's start by understanding what black garlic actually is. Black garlic is not a different variety of garlic, but rather regular garlic that has undergone a unique fermentation process. This process involves subjecting the garlic bulbs to low heat and high humidity conditions over several weeks, which results in a transformation that gives black garlic its distinct dark color, soft texture, and sweet flavor. Nutritional powerhouse. Now let's talk about the nutritional benefits. Black garlic is packed with antioxidants, including S-allylcysteine, SAC, which is more bioavailable than regular garlic's allicin. Antioxidants help combat free radicals in the body, which can contribute to aging and diseases. This means that black garlic could potentially support your overall well-being. Heart health. If you're concerned about heart health, you'll want to pay attention to this part. Studies suggest that black garlic might help lower LDL cholesterol levels while increasing HDL cholesterol. These effects are linked to the SAC compound, which could contribute to reducing the risk of cardiovascular issues. Immune system boost. In today's world, a strong immune system is more important than ever. Black garlic contains various vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C and vitamin B6, which are known to support immune function. By including black garlic in your meals, you might give your immune system an extra edge. Digestive friendliness. Are you someone who struggles with digestion? Black garlic could be your new best friend. Thanks to the fermentation process, black garlic becomes easier to digest, making it more gentle on your stomach. Plus, its prebiotic properties might promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Culinary versatility. Let's not forget about the culinary aspect. Black garlic's taste is unlike that of raw garlic. It's sweet, slightly tangy, and has a molasses-like richness. You can use it in various dishes, from sauces and marinades to dressings and even desserts. Its unique flavor profile can truly elevate your culinary creations. And there you have it, folks. The amazing benefits of black garlic are truly something to marvel at. From its antioxidant-rich nature to its potential contributions to heart health and immunity, black garlic is a culinary gem worth exploring. Remember, it's not just about the health benefits, it's about the delicious twist it can add to your dishes. So go ahead and give black garlic a try. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting explorations of the world of flavors and wellness. Until next time, stay healthy and keep experimenting in the kitchen.